What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of something different. Now I'm sure you guys are wondering, you're seeing all these ingredients and you're thinking, what are they going to make? That's right, you guessed it. We're making my grandmother's famous pecan pie recipe. Now, this is a little bit different than your normal pecan pie recipe. This is a southern style pecan pie recipe. And we think you're gonna love it. Let's get started. So, let's get cooking. Okay, so guys, this is really top priority for me when it comes to working in the kitchen. And it's a clean workstation. I have all my ingredients laid out, nothing else out of the ordinary that you don't need. We're gonna be using this space, we're gonna be using it to its full advantage. So we really want a clean workspace, okay? It's majorly important. Now, how many times have you found yourself, let's say maybe after Thanksgiving dinner, and you know, your family, they made way too much food and they're gonna give you the leftovers? No problem. Guess what? We're gonna reuse them right here. They just made way too much pecan pie. So what you can actually do is repurpose it and make a new dish. So I just have one normal size slice of pecan pie left. And we're gonna make something really special out of it. We're gonna make a pecan pie, a southern style pecan pie casserole. We're gonna be pairing our creation today with the Tups IPA. I find the hops really balance out the flavor profile of the southern style pecan pie casserole, and it's just all around a great IPA. Oh my gosh. Okay, so step number one, you're just gonna take your last slice of pecan pie and you're just gonna put it into a mixing bowl. And make sure to keep your hands clean, it's really important. Okay, so the next step that I've found, the tool that I've found the most useful for dicing this up is a butter knife. Just go ahead and dice this up. Just not get it nice and dicey, just like that. Okay? Okay guys, so once you have that all done, maybe you have, they had some chips at the party and they have some left over. I found that this brand is the best, and what you're gonna wanna do is just get the crumbles, get the crumbles and really make sure that they're just nice and small pieces in there. Now remember, this is a southern style pecan pie casserole, so what would be complete without the classic Joe T. Garcia's? Let's just go ahead and add a healthy portion of that. Doesn't need to, mix to taste, mix to taste. And in my experience, I found that doesn't really complete the southern style portion of the southern style pecan pie casserole. So a little bit of hot sauce goes a long way, trust me. So just go ahead and add a dollop of that. That's probably good. Now, when I think southern, I think jalapenos. Let's just go ahead and add a few of those in there. Perfect. So go ahead and add some salt, some pepper, and some cayenne pepper to really round out that kick. Now I know what you guys are probably thinking right now. Josh, it's missing the most crucial ingredient. That's right, my grandma's secret recipe, honey. Now it really helps if you can get some fresh, local honey, specifically probably from Ukraine or Argentina. Yeah, Indian is fine too, that's okay. Is this honey still good, Alex? Now you really can't you can't really add too much honey. Just be really generous with the honey. That's probably about good. Now what's really gonna set this dish off and just make a nice bed of all the flavors to come together and sleep all nice and tightly tucked together in your mouth is cream, half and half. It's really gonna do a lot for the dish. All right guys, so you've got all the ingredients in the bowl. You worked really hard. The last step is just give it a good final stir up and dig in. Cheers. Oh, this tastes just like my grandma's used to make it. Oh my God. This is perfect for summertime. This is a perfect summertime snack. You know, you're out on the beach, it's about 100 degrees outside. Southern style pecan pie casserole with half and half and cream. You get the spice of the jalapenos. You can just really, really taste the flavor in here. Everything just works so perfectly. The cayenne pepper is a great touch. The honey, beautiful. Just a great flavor profile. Let's go in for one more bite, shall we? So good. You know, all you hardworking moms and wives out there, this is a really easy dish to put together for your working husband. Comes home from work. Hello, honey, I'm home. What's for dinner? Oh, hey, babe. I made some of that, your grandma's favorite, famous Southern style pecan pie casserole. Honey, you didn't. Did you use the secret ingredient? I sure did, honey. And the great thing about this dish is that you don't need to refrigerate it. You could eat it, take it to lunch at work, take it in a Ziploc bag, just eat it. It's super simple and super delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Josh. Thanks so much for all the support. I got hundreds of comments on my last video telling me how much they appreciated it. So thank you guys so much. You guys are what drives me to make videos, and I just really appreciate it. So thanks for everything. We'll see you on the next one. Oh. This is gonna be so hard to do with a straight face.